Question number 1. The structural and functional unit of the nervous system is. The right answer is option C, neuron. Question number 2. The largest part of the human brain is. The right answer is option B, cerebrum. Question number 3. The part of the brain responsible for maintaining balance is. The right answer is option B, cerebellum. Question number 4. The brain and spinal cord together make up the. The right answer is option C, central nervous system. Question number 5. The gap between two neurons is called. The right answer is option A, synapse. Question number 6. Which part of the neuron carry impulses away from the cell body? The right answer is option B, axon. Question number 7. The protective membranes covering the brain and spinal cord are called. The right answer is option C, meninx. Question number 8. The outermost layer of the meninx is. The right answer is option C, duometer. Question number 9. The cerebrospinal fluid is found in the. Right answer is option A, ventricles and subarachnoid space. Question number 10. The spinal cord is protected by. The right answer is option B, vertebral column. Question number 11. Reflex action are controlled by the. The right answer is option B, spinal cord. Question number 12. Which lobe of the cerebrum control vision? The right answer is option D, occipital. Question number 13. The part of the brain that control respiration and heartbeat is. The right answer is option C, medulla oblongata. Question number 14. The peripheral nervous system include. The right answer is option C, cranial and spinal nerves. Question number 15. Which of the following is a neurotransmitter? The right answer is option B, adrenaline. Question number 16. The autonomic nervous system controls. The right answer is option B, involuntary axon. Question number 70. Which part of the brain regulate body temperature and hunger? The right answer is option B, hypothalamus. Question number 18. Gray matter consists mainly of. The right answer is option B, neuronal cell bodies. Question number 19. The white matter of the brain is white due to. The right answer is option A, myelin sheath. Question number 20. The 10th cranial nerve is. The right answer is option C, ragus. Question number 21. The number of pair of cranial nerves in a human is. The right answer is option B, 12. Question number 22. The number of pair of spinal nerves in humans is. The right answer is option C, 31. Question number 23. The spinal cord extends from the medulla to. The right answer is option B, lumbar region. Question number 24. The junction between two neurons is called. The right answer is option A, synapse. Question number 25. The part of the neuron that receive impulses is. The right answer is option A, dendrite. Question number 26. Myelin sheath is formed by. The right answer is option A, Schwann cell. Question number 27. The function of the cerebrum is. The right answer is option B, coordination of movement. Question number 28. The limb system is involved in. The right answer is option A, memory and emotion. Question number 29. Which part of the brain connect the cerebrum to the spinal cord? The right answer is option B, brainstem. Question number 30. The outer surface of the cerebrum is known as. The right answer is option A, cortex. Question number 31. The folds of the brain surface are called. The right answer is option B, gyri. Question number 32. The autonomic nervous system is divided into. The right answer is option B, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Question number 33. Which nerve carry impulses from the eye to the brain? The right answer is option A, optic nerve. Question number 34. The olfactory nerve is responsible for. The right answer is option C, smell. Question number 35. Which part of the brain act as a relay center for sensory information? The right answer is option A, thalamus. Question number 36. The right and left cerebral hemisphere are connected by. The right answer is option B, corpus callosum. Question number 37. Nerve impulses travel fastest in. The right answer is option B, myelinated fiber. Question number 38. The part of the neurons where impulses generation occurs is. The right answer is option A, axon hillock. Question number 39. The sensory area of the brain is located in the. The right answer is option B, parietal lobe. Question number 40. The motor area of the brain is in the. The right answer is option A, frontal lobe. Question number 41. The auditory center is found in the. The right answer is option A, temporal lobe. Question number 42. The main function of the spinal cord is. The right answer is option B, conducting impulses to and from the brain. Question number 43. The smallest functional part of the brain stem is. The correct answer is option B, midbrain. Question number 44. Which of these is a mixed nerve? The right answer is option C, facial. Question number 45. The brain consumes about what percentage of total body oxygen? The right answer is option B, 20%. Question number 46. The brain is enclosed within the. The right answer is option A, cranium. Question number 47. The spinal nerves are part of the. The right answer is option B, PNS. Question number 48. Damage to the occipital lobe cause loss of. The right answer is option C, vision. Question number 49. The neuron that carry impulses from the CNS to muscle are. The right answer is option B, motor neurons. Question number 50. The space between the arachnoid and pia mater is. The right answer is option B, subarachnoid space.